Hi guys, welcome to another Block Spotlight. Today we are going to be taking a look at one of the machines from Zycraft. Now Zycraft has just been updated and this Fabricator here is one of the things that it's added. So if we have a look at it, it is quite overwhelming, let's say, if you've not seen this before. Basically on the left hand side we have our redstone control. So you can have it automatically running on low, so by default it is turned on. You can have it set so that you need to apply a redstone signal to get it to run, or you can get it to pulse. Now how this works is it works a lot like an auto crafting table from Buildcraft, uh, but it is slightly different in that it has an inventory for the output. So on the left hand side here we have our input recipe, we have our the result of the recipe here, so that's basically a painted recipe, so I can just paint in items there. You left click to paint it in and you right click to erase, like that, and the output of that recipe shows up there. Now if we had a chest to the side of this, what would actually happen would be that these planks would gradually start filling up this internal inventory. Now this will pull from an adjacent chest or an adjacent inventory. What it won't do is it won't eject into an inventory at all, so you need to pull this stuff out of here somehow, and we'll have a look at quite how that can be used in a moment. The recipe for this guy, you need to start off with blue engineering, well, not blue engineering bricks, just engineering bricks. Now you can swap these for any of the colours. I think there's five different colours, maybe six. So if we just have a quick look at the engineering bricks, there's five. So you've got 5 different colours of engineering brick. Either one will work. It's not specified or not specific to a particular colour, although the block itself is blue. So you put that in the corners with a crafting table in the middle, some stone, smooth stone and an iron ingot. So it is reasonably cheap to make. So that's not going to be too difficult to make. Now an example of what you can do here, because they will pull from an adjacent inventory, they will also pull from each other. So what we can do here is we can have logs set up there to go to planks. Then in this one we have planks set to go to sticks, and here we have sticks set to go to wooden gears. So if I put log in there, as you can see, when it's working, there is you get a little animation on the top. Basically the recipe shows up in this crafting grid in miniature, which is really cool. And what happened there was we put a log in, so it's crafted some planks, which this has then taken and crafted some sticks, and the sticks have then been crafted into wooden gears. So we got 2 wood gears for our plank. So if we put all of that in there, you can see this is busy showing up the top because that's what's being made, and it works really quickly. So now we've got all of those wooden gears out of our wood. Fantastic. Now as I say, the only thing is you will need to pump out of this last fabricator in the chain, but that's one way in which you can put these to use. They do tend to work a lot quicker than the auto crafting tables, mainly because they will work on each other. As I say, they have redstone control, so you can use a lever to turn these off and on. So if we put levers on here, apply a redstone signal, as you can see they power off, the lights go off. So now if I were to get some more wood logs, throw them in there, what's going to happen is this one's going to do its crafting. It's going to fill this up here. Now when we turn this one on, This one's going to do its crafting and fill up with sticks. And then finally we'll turn that one on, and then that one will do the gears. So as you can see, you've got quite a bit of control. If you set these to pulse, let's grab some more logs. Let's turn this off. Put our logs in there, so it's not going to craft automatically. We'll set it to pulse, and what will happen with the pulse is you actually need to apply it a redstone signal every time you want it to craft something. So every time you pulse it, it will craft like so. So that way you can basically have it craft an item for you on demand by just sending it a redstone pulse. Really, really useful. So there you go, guys. Very quick introduction to the Zycraft Fabricator. I'm sure there's I can certainly think of quite a few ways of using this, so I'm sure you'll all have fun with it. Hopefully you found it informative. If you have, please hit that like button. Please also check out the other links below. Follow my Twitter. Check out the live stream over on Twitch sometime. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.